Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is an Ocean Wave crochet install. It is sponsored by Toyotress. Toyotress has provided 8 packs of hair, and inside each pack you get 14 little loops or clusters, whatever you want to call them, that can definitely be separated into however many you need. This hair is so shiny and bouncy. Let's get started. As you can see, my braids are not perfect in the least at all. I loosely braided a lot of it because I only plan on having this style for about a week and then take it down and shampoo my hair. Girl, I ain't had some braids like this in a minute, okay? So, do I look like Coolio, ODB, or do I look like Cleo? I don't know why I ask you guys those types of questions, but anyway, I took my needle and thread and I sewed the length of my hair going up in the center in between the braids, and then in the back I divided the hair, the one little loop, into 2, and on the sides I divided it into 3 pieces. So I just want to show y'all that this is one pack. So I think for the amount of hair that I received, I'm going to get some really good coverage. Okay, so I started out on the side because I wanted to see how it was going to look against my face and also how I could spread it out. But once I learned that, I went ahead and started working in the back, and what I did was just went across my braids. Of course, I did it where there was space in between because you can always go back and fill in. I wasn't sure how much I was going to use, but in the back, as you can see, I used the original method. I loop it through and then I tie it 3 times, and that's it. That is all I did, and I worked my way from side to side, working my way up to the front. Girl, I'm gonna be real honest with you. I did not know how this was gonna turn out because it has been way over a decade since I've done crochet braids on myself. I do believe it is a wonderful protective style to still get a really good classy look without spending a whole bunch of money. But I'm telling you, I did not think it was like riding a bike, and it wasn't. I had some struggles, but you know, we got through it. You put on some good music, get in a good rhythm, and you can do it. Now, once I reached the front, I did it a little different. So when I pulled it through, I looped it over once, the whole piece, and then I split it in half and then pulled it through the loop that way. So it's 1/2 on one side and 1/2 on the other, and that gives you that, it kind of hides the knot a little bit if you were to flip the hair back over. So Toyotress hair is currently 30% off, and if you use code April20, you get an additional 20% off, which brings you to 50% off during checkout. Girl, that is a whole steal. So I did this invisible method style crochet in the front because I really wasn't sure where I wanted to have my part. I thought I was going to have it down the center, and then I ended up changing my mind and thought this hair looked way better flipped over to the side. So I started to do the invisible method on, you know, a deep side part, which if you can see, it's starting to look really good. It's taking shape and I really like it. Right here, I began to use tinier pieces just because I wanted a fuller look where it didn't seem like my part line was so much of a gap. So I started going on like the sides of the braid and then doing that invisible method with smaller pieces. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go and back comb my hair, almost like tease the hair at the root. Okay, so this is what we are looking like from the back. You definitely do not have to cut this hair if you don't want to, but after I'm done back combing the roots of this hair, I'm gonna cut this hair. Okay, so after that quick little cut, I'm not done with it. I definitely feel like I need to cut more, but I'm running low on time. So I'm just gonna go in with my Kimball Edge Control to smooth my edges and make it look cute and all. Okay, you guys, here is my look for today. Miss America is about to go pick up her daughter. I think this hairstyle turned out really, really cute. My husband said he liked it or whatever, you know. You guys know I love me some cute, effortless looking hair. And it's giving me very much, you know, effortless bedhead type of hair. I'm definitely going to leave all of the links in the description box down below. I'm going to keep messing with this hair when I get back in the house. And until the next time, you guys, be love.